All right, welcome. Today we're going to take a look at parts of speech and what makes a strong sentence in our grammar lesson today. We're going to also look at what parts of speech make up a sentence and then what is an adjective. Let's get started. First, let's take a look at a review of what's a noun. A noun is that who or what in a sentence. It's a person, place, thing, or idea. Here is a list of nouns. So dog is an animal, it's a thing, a home is a place, lunch is also a thing, or a classroom is a place, a person could be your teacher or your mom or a doctor, okay? Noun is, again, who or what the sentence is about, okay? Like here. The dog was running around the tree. What's the sentence about? The dog. And what were they running around? The tree. So those two things are the nouns. In this sentence, my mom picked me up from school to take me to see the doctor. Who is the sentence about? It's about my mom and how she picked me up. From where? The school. And where am I going? To the doctor. The noun tells me the important things about who and what is in my sentence. The next thing we're going to look at in the parts of a sentence is a verb. The verb tells me the do part, what the action is. So a verb is a word used to tell about an action or even a state of being. So, for example, I slept in on Saturday. What did I do? I slept. It's the do, it's the action. I was so excited. What's the state of being? Was. Okay, past tense of am. I love reading. What do I love to do? What's the do? Reading. You can also take a look at some of these words that tell you some actions. But if you can visualize that thing doing something, then you know you're talking about the verb. So let's take a look at this next sentence. Billy ate. Billy is the noun. Billy ate a snack. Snack is also a noun. It's a person and a thing. Ate is what it did. It's the do, right? The verb, what Billy did. And then what did he eat? He ate the snack. So let's take a closer look there. Again, Billy is the noun, it's the person. Ate is the verb, it's the action. And then what did it do? It ate the thing, the snack, the noun, right? So in a sentence, you usually have a noun and a verb in the sentence. What's an adjective? An adjective can make a sentence better. So let's take a look at what an adjective is. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun. Modifies. That is a tricky word. It might be a new word for you, but it really just means it describes it. It makes it better, okay? It makes the sentence better. So instead of just saying my dog is huge, I could say my old brown dog is huge. I am modifying or making better the word, the noun, dog. Okay? All the little ducks, here's my noun, ducks, looked different. So notice little modifies the noun ducks, and so does different. It's what it looked like. It looked different. Okay? It's telling the appearance of the ducks. So an adjective can tell the appearance by a color. It can tell the appearance by an adjective like the word different or important. It can tell how many by saying, I could even say there were 3 little ducks that look different. I can tell you how many something is. Or the size of it, like the word huge. My old brown dog is huge. Huge now, I can tell it's not a tiny dog, it's a big dog. So now you are able to visualize what those nouns look like, what it might smell like, what it might feel like. And that makes a sentence strong. Let's take a look at the sentence again. Billy ate a snack. We're going to modify the word snack. We're going to take a look and put in an adjective right here to make it stronger. I'm going to put in 2 adjectives because I'm going to make it really beefy, this sentence. I'm going to really make you think and visualize what this snack would be like. So Billy ate a crunchy and tasty snack. So crunchy and tasty snack. So maybe you're visualizing something in your mind like a cookie or a cracker that could be crunchy and can be tasty for their snack. Now it's your turn, boys and girls, to make the same sentence. Include your own adjective before the word snack, before that noun. Go ahead and write on your whiteboards at your seat a new sentence or the same sentence using a different adjective before the word snack. Then you can try other sentences by making them better using adjectives. Have fun. Good luck.